We're cutting that, right?
Ooh. Coming! Yo, what's going on? Come on in. Alright guys, this is gonna be the Osaka Airbnb tour. So this is what a typical Airbnb would look like in Osaka. Come on in. If you go look to the right here, nice little message left by our Airbnb host. There is a shoe rack in case you want to put on some slippers. As you'll know, I've already got acquainted with the place. Okay, come on in a little more. Believe it or not, we got lucky and this is the same setup. Bam! We got the laundry machine right here. We got the kitchen happening here. We got the gas top. We got a two-top this time. It's a real fancy one. We did a bit of an upgrade, if you know what I'm saying.
Here we go.
We got the sink here. We got a couple more cooking utensils laying out. Let's see what's under here. I haven't even looked what's under here yet. Ooh. If you've got more than one cup and one pan, that means you got it hooked up, you know what I mean? It looks like she just left a bunch of cleaning stuff. We won't even worry about any of this stuff because we will not be cooking a damn thing. Alright, so, again, we got the kettle pot on top of the microwave, on top of the mini fridge. Does it start to look similar a little bit? Do you see a pattern? Let's see if they left us anything. Oh, we actually did not buy this. I'm not sure. Seems like it's some kind of oolong tea or something. This hasn't been cracked yet, so it's fresh. Ooh. Now, mind you, this is probably left by the guys before. The Airbnb host probably did not leave this for us. Oh, I needed that. This is a different setup where we had it. We have a sink here instead of being in the washroom. You should even get this nice little toothbrush, hair dryer. I don't know what this stuff is. Alright, so we'll do the classic bathroom tour. Ready to take on all kinds of stuff from our day. And ta-da! Our trusty old sink. Let's see if it works. That's nice. And here it's kind of like almost like a telephone booth. It's kind of intriguing. And coming inside, you'll see, you know, the standard shower and bath. Usually, most places, shampoo and rinse. Conditioner is gonna be there, body wash, so you don't usually have to carry all this stuff because if you're the type of guy who doesn't like to check in baggage like me, this kind of stuff is heavy, it's big, it's bulky, it's unnecessary. So you have the Airbnb providing for you 99% of the time, in my experience. You got the full-length mirror here, in case you forgot what you look like naked. Come on in, guys. We have only been here for the last 5 minutes, so it's actually immaculate. This is how it would normally look if you step in. You got the air conditioning, you know, the bed. We only have one bed here, but I can see that this could turn into a bed potentially. And if you come into the closet, there's more bedding here. So looks like there's potential for up to maybe 3, 4 people, 5 people, 6 people if you lay them on top of each other to be able to sleep here. But seriously, you can probably fit about 3 people to sleep here, which is pretty insane actually. You got a nice little coffee table here, tiny TV. We won't be using that much. And this host actually is been super nice to leave a whole bunch of stuff here. We got power adapters of all kinds, a power bar, which a lot of places don't give out, surprisingly. And this place actually came with the pocket Wi-Fi. Like I said, we haven't slept in here yet. So I don't know how the bed feels. I mean, Feels okay. I don't know where that came from. Anyways, guys. So yeah. Moving on to the next one. We got the balcony here, which is nice. We've got the laundry that we're gonna hang probably at some point. Wow, that's really starting to smell in here. We should probably open this up a little bit. It's
We're cutting that, right?
we'll leave that open a little bit. Kudos to this Airbnb host in Osaka. We will definitely be staying with her again. There's no complaints. It's amazing. We'll make sure to leave you guys the link to the Airbnb down below. Alright, thanks for joining us.